everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make fingerless gloves easily. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a regular glove, just like that. Regular glove. I know it's hard to see because of the background, I apologize. It is indeed a regular glove. And we're gonna make these gloves fingerless. If you wanna have gloves that allow you to have access to your fingertips, it can be very beneficial just because for using your phone, I know that there are gloves that, you can touch your phone with, but they don't work properly all the time. And sometimes you just need your hands to be warm, but you need your fingertips. Maybe you work with wiring or something like that, right? So, there's many reasons why you might want fingerless gloves. I'm gonna show you how to make them. You need a glove that you're willing to cut up and alter, and you need a pair of scissors. Yeah, very simple. So essentially it all depends on how much you want to cut off. So right now we're just going to cut off just the tip of each of the fingers. So I'm literally just going to cut off, like, I don't know, it's probably about ½ inch of each, as you can see right there, just like that. I'm cutting off about ½ inch of each, okay, just like that. And it's all up to your preference, but what I recommend is that you try the smallest cutoff first, then you work with a bigger cutoff, because you don't want to cut off too much, because then you're going to ruin your glove. These are very inexpensive gloves. I bought 2 pairs of these for $1.25 or something like that. So that's, like, if I mess them up, it's not a big deal, but your gloves might be more expensive. Okay, so as you can see right here, we now have fingerless gloves. We've done that. It's that easy. That's how to create them. What you can do if you want is you can also cut them a little bit further. So obviously if I wanted to cut them further, let's say I wanted to expose a little bit more of my finger, right? I needed more. I would take them off and then just get the bare fabric and just cut it a little bit further. Like, you can measure it and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, you know what? Just estimating is usually gonna be perfectly fine. Okay, as you can see right here, we're just cutting off a little bit extra fabric to expose more finger, like without the glove on it, and that's it. I'll show you what it looks like, and you can go as far down as you want to, right? I mean, if you go all the way down, you're probably kind of defeating the purpose of the glove, kind of, but I do, like, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna cut the other one to be the same way, and I'm gonna use this. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Sorry, before I finish, like I said, it's your personal preference. So if you want to cut off the whole amount of the fabric, sure, you want to cut off just a touch of the fabric, it's whatever you want. This is how I'm going to keep my gloves though. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.